Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Google form you want to edit. This ensures changes apply to the correct form. Once the form loads, click the paint palette icon in the top right to reveal theme controls. Make sure you already have any background image files or hex color codes ready, because once the theme panel is open, you'll switch between image and color quickly. This helps avoid accidental default themes and speeds the process. You're now ready for the customization steps. Now focus on the central customization. Choose between image or color in the background area of the theme panel. If using an image, click Upload and choose a file. Aim for wide images, for example 1600 by 400 pixels, so the header looks crisp. Once uploaded, Google will automatically adjust cropping and palette. If you pick color, either select a swatch or type a hex code to match branding. Make sure to preview the header and question card to confirm contrast and readability before moving on. Finish by fine-tuning. Use the Customize options to adjust header alignment, font style, and question card color so text remains legible. Once satisfied, click Done or simply close the theme panel, then refresh the form page to confirm the live appearance. If something looks wrong, re-upload the image at a larger resolution. Ensure it's JPG or PNG, clear your browser cache, or revert to the previous theme and try a different image. This single troubleshooting step usually fixes display or contrast problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.